Hi, it's Howard Barnes here, and this is just a short video to show you how to get to the eXp University Guide. And this is the place where the recorded trainings are. And so if you can't make the live trainings that are on the calendar, you can go to the eXp University Guide and you can find trainings that are recorded that are about the same subject, or it could be exactly the same training. Anyway, this is how you do it, how you find it, and so now, now there's no excuse. Anyway, talk to you later.
Hi, my name is Tatiana Rosales, and I'm a trainer here at eXp University. In today's video, I will show you how to get the most out of our eXp University Guide. The University Guide contains all eXp University's recorded classes. The video library contains so many resources from our training series, tutorial videos, resources specific to KV Core and SkySlope, and so much more. Let me show you. To get to the University Guide, you'll need to log into Workplace. Once you're in Workplace, click on the eXp University group. If you cannot find our group, simply type eXp University into the search bar and select the open group marked by the green official badge. Right at the top of our page, you'll find pinned posts. Before we dive in, let's first save this post for easy access later on. To save any post in Workplace, click on the three dots at the top right and select Save Link, then click Done. All right, now go ahead and click on Welcome to your guide to eXp University. And there it is, all of our recorded classes. If you're looking for a specific series, for example, the Icon series, scroll down the page until you find Icon Series Catalog. Click on the hyperlink. Now from this page, you're going to need to click on Icon Series Catalog. Once the catalog loads, you can scroll through the page until you find any recorded class that interests you. Okay, remember how in the beginning of this video we saved the guide? Let me show you how to quickly find saved posts. Navigate to the menu on the left, click See More, then select Saved, and there it is. Okay, so let's dive a little deeper into the University Guide. When you scroll down, you'll notice that each training series is hyperlinked. If you click on any of these hyperlinks, that specific catalog will open. If I click on Excel series, then all recorded Excel series classes will be in this catalog. And if I click on Attraction series, all Attraction series videos will be in this catalog. Scrolling down a little more, you'll see our tutorial library, scripts, KV Core, and more. The University Guide is a great website to bookmark for future access. To bookmark the University Guide, click on the star right next to the search bar, name the website and choose the location. I'm going to select Bookmarks Bar, and that's it. Thanks for watching our guide to the university training videos. Don't forget to bookmark this link, share it with your friends, and join us for live training in World.